Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear app cache on a Samsung Galaxy phone to free up your space. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first thing first, we can go to our setting. In the setting, we have to go to the app setting. This one, guys, and choose the application you want to clear the cache on. For instance, I'm going to clear the cache of my Instagram application. So we can click on this Instagram application and go to storage right here, and you just need to click on clear cache to clear the cache of the Instagram application. Okay, and now as you can see guys that the cache has been deleted, and if you want to clear the cache on another application, you just need to do the same step. For instance, I'm going to clear the cache of InShot as well. Go to InShot, go to storage, and then clear cache. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can clear app cache on a Samsung Galaxy phone to free up our space. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.